So fish is in, yeah. Okay, so these fish are all just butterfish. We shot that today at Miller's Point. You guys saw the footage. Yeah, so we've got about 5 to 6 fish over here. Really nice size fillets. So there's all of these that we are going to deep fry. So now I'm going to show you guys what I like to do to prepare my fish and how I like to do it. I need to start that camera. There we go. So yeah, let's get to it. We've got these fish. The spices that we are going to use is southern coating chicken spice, spearfish, white pepper, salt and some garlic. And then we've just got a pan with our oil in it. Okay, so before we start preparing the fish, let's just get this oil to a nice... Okay, so we are going to make our flour batter now. So first what we are going to start with is the southern coating. I'm going to use a tablespoon, but you would like to put in 2 teaspoons of chicken spice. There we go. Put that back. Yeah, I already know how much, but a teaspoon of spearfish. Let's just open that a bit more. There we go. Also, teaspoon of white pepper. There we go. A teaspoon of salt. I think everybody knows how much a teaspoon of salt is. And then a tablespoon, well, a half a tablespoon of garlic. Nice. And I also like to keep my surfaces clean, or I try to at least. I never get it right. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah. Okay. Now when you take it, you want to put it in like this. And then you can get your next one ready. Okay, I think we can turn it around. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, I wish you guys could be here so that you could taste how good this fish is. I love this batter. The thing is, spearfish, it's so good on the fish as well as the garlic. And well, yeah, everything. This is my main spices that I put into a batter or used to spice the fish with. Southern coating chicken spice, white pepper, salt, spearfish, and garlic. Okay, so this fish is almost ready. You also don't want to leave it in too long because you want it to be nice and soft. You see, now that's how you know it's perfect, is when it doesn't stick to the pan. Oh, now that's ready. So just take a fork or something and just slide it onto your egg lifter. Right, next one. Let's get this one settled in. Just drop it in there and just let it sizzle, let it do its thing. And then we can start with the next piece. Go. Look at that, guys. Oh, that looks perfect. Perfect. Oh, this is going to be so good. The family is going to enjoy this. I think I might take some for my grandma, my granddad, a piece for them. Oh, that's looking beautiful. Beautiful. Just have a look at that, guys. So nice and crispy. Oh. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, that one looks really good. The first one, it's also perfect, but this one and that one in the pan has a bit more of the batter on it, so it's a bit more crispy. But just look at that perfect, beautiful piece of meat. Oh, I love it. It's my favorites. I will be able to live like this for the rest of my life, just to eat fish, I swear. Cool. Let's go and do a taste test. Okay, cool. It's a bit windy, but yeah, my dog is here with me. Alright, so. Oh, that looks so good. Butterfish. My dog loves fish as well. You guys, I love doing this for you guys. Oh, that's amazing, guys. En ik heb vergeten om op te laaien. En ik skip in mijn pijl van dit zijn.